everybody, welcome back. As you can see, Mum isn't here. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like and comment down below if you think I should do more videos without Mum. So this is September's box, GeekGear Wizardry Ravenclaw. So let's open it. Let's start with this month's shirt. So it's Hogwarts with, I think, Harry on his broom. Very interesting. Let's see what's inside this little package. Whoa. It's like, I'll get it out of the bubble wrap. Well, I guess it's fragile and it's, good broom. I think it was Harry's first broom, the first broom that he got. So, a Ravenclaw beanie. No use to me because I'm Gryffindor, but look, it's a Ravenclaw beanie. And then see, a bird for Ravenclaw. A piece fell off the broom, so I had to put that back. Let's do the recipes. So a steak and like a pie. Nice pie with that on it. Ooh, some cookies. And this is our picture. It's like a skull with a bird. Just gonna try and get it out of the ring light. There it is. Now, this is our last thing. So this month's wand, it's designed so it's actually not any of like anyone's wand from the movie. It's someone designed it and it looks so cool. It has like this little like bird on the top. It's really detailed. And then going down from it is like these, like these spirals going down like a tree or something. So this is really cool. Out of this box, my favorite thing would probably the wand. I just love the detail in this wand. It's like so, like the bird is so detailed. It has like feathers and all, and then the wood is so detailed. It's so good. So the next box will be themed like house items, like what house you're in. It will include those more. So see you next time. Be kind, be strong, and be a warrior.